Welcome. I am absolutely thrilled to have you here for this explainer. We're going to be unpacking the ultimate certification quest today. If you're navigating the modern data landscape, you already know that standing out requires way more than just tossing around buzzwords. It actually requires rock-solid proof. So today, we're mapping out the exact path to achieving that kind of undeniable validation. Are you ready to conquer Apache Spark? And I really want you to think about that specific word, conquer. Because for IT professionals, navigating Spark's distributed computing framework isn't just another task on your to-do list. It's a major career summit. We are talking about mastering data frames, RDDs, and all that complex in-memory processing. It's about totally dominating a technology that's literally driving today's massive data pipelines. Okay, let's dive into this. Section 1, the Databricks Spark certification, the summit to conquer. Now, the exact target we are aiming for here is becoming a Databricks Certified Associate Developer. I'm actually going to repeat that because, when you're preparing for a massive summit, you need to know exactly which peak you're climbing, right? The Databricks Certified Associate Developer. This specific title is the credential highlighted in our source material, and it really needs to be burned into your memory as the primary objective. This title? It's the ultimate milestone for a developer seeking to completely validate their Spark expertise. This absolutely isn't some generalist participation badge. As our source clearly outlines, this is the definitive way to basically tell the whole industry, hey, I have been rigorously tested by the actual creators of Spark themselves. It proves you can actually optimize cluster configurations and handle big data at a massive scale. It is the absolute goal line. Let's move to and see how this builds into Section 2. Enter Tech Horizon, finding your guide. Every monumental climb requires a trusted Sherpa, right? And our source material sets the mission perfectly. Quote, mastering the Databricks Apache Spark Developer Certification. Now, notice that very first word, mastering. Not passing, not just surviving it, mastering. It frames this whole journey around internalizing the concept so deeply that the exam, it basically just becomes a formality. So where does this mastery actually happen? On the training ground. Our guide for this journey is creator Anand Vemula, and his platform is the Tech Horizon channel on YouTube. I gotta say, I absolutely love that name, Tech Horizon. It's like you are quite literally looking ahead in your career, scanning for that next big leap, and you're using this channel to actually get you there. So, the crucial point is here in Section 3, Mastering the Developer Exam, the Strategy. It's kind of fascinating to contrast the totally accessible format of our source material with the massive outcome it promises. I mean, on one side, you have an everyday, straightforward YouTube video. But on the other, you've got total certification mastery. You are literally taking a simple, highly accessible medium and using it to forge an elite, career-altering professional credential. It's a real game changer. So, the big question, are you ready to look toward the tech horizon and achieve mastery? The certification is set. The guide, Anand Vemula, is ready. The path is clearly laid out in front of us. Honestly, the only variable left here is you. Are you ready to embark on this quest and completely transform your career? Keep that question in mind as you take your next steps. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and I'll see you on the horizon.